Today I'm going to show you how to record owner contributions in QuickBooks Online. An owner contribution is money the owner adds to the business. This should be recorded as equity, not income. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the dashboard, click New or Create. Then select Bank Deposit. At the top, choose the bank account where the money was deposited. Next, go to the section where you enter the deposit details. In the Received From field, enter the owner's name. In the Account field, choose an equity account for owner contributions. This may be called Owner's Contribution, Owner's Equity, or Shareholder Contributions depending on your business type. If you do not already have this account, create one. Set the account type to Equity. For the detail type, choose Owner's Equity or the closest matching equity option. Then save the new account. Now return to the bank deposit form. Select the owner contribution account in the Account field. Enter the amount being contributed, then enter the deposit date. You can also add a memo such as Owner Contribution or the reason for the deposit. Before saving, review the bank account, owner name, equity account, date, and amount. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will record the money added to the business and show it as an owner contribution instead of income. And that's how to record owner contributions in QuickBooks Online.